nice to see so many different ways that people are choosing to spend their day here, and everyone coming together to just celebrate all things wellness, movement, fitness and community. And yeah, it's been so much fun, and that really reflects what LAC FitVibes is all about, right? Creating a space where wellness can be explored in different ways.
So fun. Biggest takeaway, I think, is just being yourself. Like in the atmosphere, I think it can be a bit self-conscious, intimidating, but just be yourself.
I think I'm glad I signed up. Biggest takeaway, I think I'm gonna incorporate some groove dances in my life.
Absolutely, fitness and healthy.